Many people can walk away and feel completely fine after being involved in a car accident. But there are several hidden injuries that can be sustained after a car accident. What are they? Keep watching to find out more. Whiplash. Cervical strain, also known as whiplash, can occur whether you hit an object in the car such as the steering wheel or not. The person's neck is quickly forced back and then immediately forward. This can happen within a matter of seconds, and often the injury goes undetected due to the driver not being aware it occurred. If gone untreated, these types of whiplash injuries can bring on herniated discs, which can result in pain, inflammation, and muscle weakness. To lessen this pain, often surgeries are required. Traumatic brain injury. If a person hits their head during an accident, it can result in a concussion or other head injuries. Some symptoms associated are dizziness, blurred vision, confusion, and drowsiness. These usually can be managed and worked through with a lot of rest and hydration. Knee and shoulder injuries. During an accident, the knee can make a forcible impact on the car's dashboard. This can result in the tearing of ligaments in the knee, as well as other knee injuries. A visit to the doctor who will perform x-rays and MRIs will help determine the best course of treatment. During impact, a driver's shoulder can be pushed out of its socket, which can result in immense pain. Shoulder injuries often happen during accidents too. These can go undetected until a person involves themselves in certain activities. If left untreated for too long, the injuries may need surgeries. Psychological impacts. After being involved in a car accident and dealing with minor to major injuries, this can cause a host of negative emotion for the person involved. A person can be traumatized with stress, insomnia, even major depressive episodes. These emotions are like those with people who deal with post-traumatic stress disorder, or PTSD. In some worst cases, a person could be afraid, for instance, to drive in their car again, in fear that an accident will occur a second time. Road to recovery. Accident and injury clinics are at the patient's disposal for helping with recovering from injuries or traumatic emotions associated with the event. There's a large network of people to help patients with their recovery. These include multi-specialty team of doctors. Doctors from different medical disciplines will work as a multi-specialty team to help assist with the patient's diagnosis. These medical specialties include orthopedists, chiropractors, neurologists, pain management doctors, physiatrists, and more. They will utilize testing such as MRIs, x-rays, and the like in order to determine the state of the injury. Doctors, nurses, and other medical professionals will then develop an effective recovery plan. After the tests are completed, a medical provider will determine if the patient needs any surgeries performed, as well as if any medications could be of use. Psychologists. Psychologists can help you work through your mental well-being of any trauma that may be associated with your injury. These include stress, anxiety, the feeling of loss, etc. They'll always help you implement ways to turn around negative thought patterns and look for solutions and discovery of higher self-worth. Physical therapists. Physical therapists are there to help manage the pain and muscle movements using various exercises. These can include both cardio exercises such as the use of a treadmill, swimming, biking, as well as strength training to build muscle mass and further joint health. These include the lifting of weights, floor exercises, and more. Friends and family. A simple, friendly phone call or quick visit can make a huge impact on a patient's mental state. This can help take the focus off any physical pain they're experiencing. Hidden injuries after a car accident can still be detected and dealt with. Visit our site to book an appointment or call 800-897-8440 to speak with one of our specialists. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.